Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquittal. 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 Acquittal is a noun that refers to the legal verdict or formal judgment in a trial where the defendant is declared not guilty. It signifies the exoneration of the accused. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The jury's acquittal of the defendant signaled the end of the trial. Why acquittal is used in example number 1. Acquittal is primarily used to describe the formal verdict in a legal proceeding. Example number 2. For the defendant, the acquittal was a hard-fought victory and a relief. Why acquittal is used in example number 2. Acquittal signifies a significant legal victory for the accused. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.